Hello, and welcome to me. So, something pretty crazy happened last night. I was sleeping, and I fell asleep with my Sony headphones, which evidently the right headphone was broken. So my dad walks in, he's about to go to work, and he takes it out of my ear and just walks away. This is like 2 in the morning. But anyway, I woke up this morning, and this lovely Sony headphones were next to my head. They're actually fashion headphones, earbuds. They're fashion earbuds, and they're by Sony. It says L on the bottom. I don't know what for. It says blue, and then it says blau, which is German for blue. Apparently it's from Kohl's. $17. It features earbud-style headphones in fashionable colors. And neodymium magnet delivers powerful sound. Now I've already cut it open with my knife. Ow, that was really dangerous. That could have ended really badly. Take the plastic off. Oh jeez, look at this high quality cord. It's so thin. You know it's real. It feels like silly string almost. Alright, let me unravel this. That's a long cord. I'm not sure how long it is. Really. Does it say? Oh, there's instructions! Oh, and there's... the crap is that? There's like these little pads, or they're kind of like condoms for the ends. I don't know what they're for. Probably to put in your ear. Oh, is this like a certificate or something? Oh, it's a limited warranty. So that's pretty cool. In case you break it, like with my old Sony headphones. Oh look, here's the instructions. I knew there was stereo headphones. Let's see. So yeah, you are supposed to put the little condom thing. What is it really called? That's not the... If headphone does not fit your ears, put on supplied ear pads. Oh, but it seems so much comfortabler to put on the condom thing. I don't care. They're very fashionable in this blue. The box definitely makes it look like it's more blue than it really is. Really, there's only 2 parts in this entire thing that's blue. So yeah, I guess I'll put on the little condom just for fun. Oh. Very precise. Craftsmanship. Craftsmanship? Oh jeez, how do I put on this thing? You know what? I'm cool with the condom for now. Oh my goodness. What is up? Put it on. Oh my goodness. I can't. You know what? I'm done with the condom. Peace.